guys, welcome to another Tech Packet video. For this one, we're going to be showcasing how I do my wireless home gaming for the big screen on the couch. So starting off, we have the wireless Corsair K63 keyboard. We have a gaming mouse. This one is the Logitech G403. Doesn't matter which gaming mouse you use, but this keyboard is essential because it plugs into the Corsair Lapboard. Absolutely required for this method of gaming on your home TV completely wirelessly. So if you have a look at the Corsair keyboard here, it's got a few attachments at the bottom and a few more at the top, and those slot straight in to the lapboard here. So you just slide it in and then kick these up on the back. So all of this is completely wireless. You can use the USB receivers, so they act over Wi-Fi straight to the laptop or PC, whatever you've got connected to your TV. They can also connect via Bluetooth if you don't have enough spaces available to plug these into. So these can be both connected via Bluetooth or with your wireless dongles. Okay, so this keyboard has Cherry MX keys. So if you have a look at the escape key, you can see it's red. And it only has blue LEDs for each key. Brightness is at 33 and 66% by default to save battery life. The keyboard without lights has a full battery life of 75 hours. With 33%, it drops down to 25 hours, 66 at 15 hours, and if you set it to 100%, then it's only got about 10 hours, which is still quite a while for this keyboard. We'll do a sound test on the keys. So they're relatively quiet compared to most mechanical keyboards. So it's good for office use, or great for the couch where you may not want to make too much noise. The software required to change the lighting is in the iQ Corsair, which is downloading now on the laptop. So we'll have that installed in a minute to test out. The keyboard also has some media keys here on the left and the right side. It doesn't have the scroll bar like the premium Corsair keyboards. We've also got a series of function keys. So with your FN key down here, you can use your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, sleep. We've also got magnifying some other buttons here. Your LED indicator here will show if you've got between 50 and 100% with a white LED or 50% and under with a red LED. This one here will show if it's connected, it will be a strong white light. It'll be blue if it's connected via Bluetooth, and it'll be flashing if it's not connected at all. Testing input delay. Got him! So the input delay once you're in a game, it's not really that noticeable. Still always recommend keeping the Wi-Fi on versus Bluetooth. Would I recommend this? If you can't play with a controller, absolutely. But controllers are definitely better for your racing games, your fighting games. If you had to play first-person shooter, I'd definitely take the input lag using this versus using a controller. We dead. Got destroyed. So it's a much more comfortable environment sitting on your couch playing your video games compared to being at your computer desk for several hours. Usually the chairs aren't as good, you don't have as much support. I think this is definitely worth the investment if you have a media PC, a laptop, secondary laptop that you use for gaming occasionally. Oh, I did not see him. That was a close one. Gold damage as a tank. Okay, so in conclusion, do I recommend this product, the K63 Lapboard and a wireless mouse? I think this is great for first-person shooters if you're really into that, or if you want to play like a Civilization game, anything that requires a mouse and keyboard. It's definitely very comfortable with the thick foam padding underneath. The latency is pretty good. It's not as good as wired, but it is good for what it is, and I wouldn't use the Bluetooth. So definitely use the dongles if you have USB slots available. So for pricing, the keyboard's about 80 US. The Lapboard again is about 80 to 90 US. So together you get them for about 160 to 170. Any wireless gaming mouse will do. This one here was about 60 US dollars. So together it's all about 220 to 230 US. I'll leave links below for the Amazon links. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.